Hi, I am May Angeli I. Manila from Cagayan de Oro City, Philippines. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Arts in Economics with 18 units of professional education and a diploma in special education teaching program at Xavier University Ateneo de Cagayan. I have also earned 36 academic units in Master of Arts in Educational Planning and Management at the University of Science and Technology of Southern Philippines. Presently, I am now enrolled in Master of Arts in Education, major in Special Education at the Pacific Intercontinental College, and I am now finishing my thesis. I am passionate about education and dedicated 17 years to teaching primary grade level students in diverse educational setting. My journey in education started when I discovered my love for children and the impact that dedicated teachers can have to the lives of the students. Throughout my career, I have had the opportunity to work with students from various backgrounds and abilities, which strengthened my commitment to creating an inclusive and engaging classroom environment, and where every student feels valued and supported. I believe in the power of differentiated instruction to meet the unique needs of my students, and I strive to foster a classroom community where curiosity, creativity, and critical thinking are encouraged. Outside my classroom, I enjoy attending seminars which enriches my teaching practices and allows me to bring new perspectives and experiences into my classroom. I am dedicated to lifelong learning and am seeking opportunities that will allow me to grow personally and professionally.